you want to sound more natural when you speak English, then you are in the right place. In this video, you will learn 50 everyday English sentences that native speakers commonly use. First, listen carefully, then pause the video and repeat the sentences out loud. Try to copy the pronunciations, rhythm, intonation, not just the individual words. Let's begin. Good morning, how did you sleep? I'm still a little tired. I need to get ready for work. What are you doing today? I'll let you know. I'm running a little late. Give me a minute. I'm almost ready. Have a great day. See you later. How is it going? What have you been up to? It's nice to see you. It's been a while. What do you mean? Are you serious? That makes sense. I totally agree. I'm not sure about that. Let me think about it. Can you help me with this? I'll take care of it. I'll get back to you. Could you explain that again? I didn't catch that. Could you speak a little slower? I'll send it over shortly. Let's figure this out. That sounds like a good idea. I'm working on it right now. How much does this cost? Do you have this another size? I'm just looking, thanks. Can you get this to go? What do you recommend? I'll have the same thing. Could I get the check, please? Do you want to grab something to eat? Where should you go? I'm down for that. Now, let's practice some expressions that can make your English sound more relaxed and conversational. No worries. Sounds so good. That's a good point. I have no idea. It's up to you. Whatever works for you. I'll keep you posted. I'll see what can I do. That works for me. I really appreciate it. Now, let's do a quick challenge. I'll say 5 sentences. This time, you don't look at the subtitles. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence naturally. I'm running a little late. I didn't catch that. Whatever works for you. I'll keep you posted. Excellent. Remember, sounding more natural in English is not only about knowing more vocabulary. It's about practicing the phrases you already know until they become automatic. Listen, repeat, copy the rhythm, and practice a little every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more daily English speaking practice. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.